Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be going through the TI Inspire CX2 CAS calculator tutorial. And today's topic will be on the stationary points again. And we're looking through a quartic function. So let's get started. So here we have a quartic function with the five coordinate points, 1, 21, 2, 96, 5, and 645, 6 and 816. 7 and 861. So first step is to find what the rule is and plot the graph and then determine the turning points and the intercepts, the axis intercepts. So basically we've got the f of x is equals to a of x to the power 4 plus b of x cubed plus c of x squared plus d of x plus e. Okay. And then we just need to solve the simultaneous equations of all of these points. So basically, we need to type those into our calculator, and then we can solve for our coefficients of from A to E. So, okay, let's get started. So on the TI Inspire, so we want to do the f of x. So f of x, and then define that as a times x to the power of 4, and then plus b times x to the power of 3, and then plus c times x squared plus d times x plus e. So yeah, just have to type that in and then just press enter. So that's done. And then we want to go for algebra and then solve system of equations. So number one, and then go for five equations. And then variables would be A, comma B, comma C, comma D, comma E, like this. Okay, and then just go for OK. All right, and then we just quickly type those in. So we've got f of, the first one is f of 1 equals to 21. And then next one is f of 2 equals to 96. And then f of 5 equals to 645. Next one is f of 6 equals to 816, and then f of 7 is equals to 861. So I just type all of those in like so, and then just press execute or enter, and then we've got our coefficients there. So that's all there. And then what you want to do is you want to copy. So you can click and then press shift and highlight, and then just go Control C to copy, and then paste it in the new line here. So Control V here. But before you press enter, just swap all the variables A to E with those numbers. So we know E is 0, so you can just take that out. And then D is 4, so just delete that and replace that with 4. C is 10, so just replace that with 10. B is 8, so swap that out to 8. And then A is -1, so just put -1 in, like so. And then press enter after that. And that's done. And then swap over to the graph here, and then basically you first highlight the function that we've just defined. So copy that, and then put that in our graph function here. So let me quickly fix that up. Okay, so basically just copy that function and put that in here, and then just press enter. And then if your graph doesn't look zoomed in quite well, so what you can do is you go to Windows settings and then go for X is -10, like minimum is -10, X maximum is 10, scale set that to auto, and then now the Y minimum and Y maximum. So your Y maximum should be quite high because the coordinate points you placed in the calculator was like the highest number is 861. So your Y maximum in the Windows setting should be around 1000 in order to see the graph fully. And then for negative side of it, doesn't really matter, but in order to make it look kind of nice in terms of the windows, it's you can set it to about -500. So you can kind of copy that Windows settings in there to get a nice view of the graph. And then just go ahead, press OK. So you should get a graph like this. So that's your quartic graphs. And then, so what you want to do is you want to go for 0, and then go to do like this to get your x-intercepts. So that's your first 0 or your first x-intercept at 0, 0. And the next one is the one on the right here. So highlight to that. The next x-intercept should be at around 9.14. And the turning point is a maximum. So you go to analyze graph maximum. And then just highlight this section here like this. And that's your maximums x around 6.76 and y is at 867.07. So that's that. And then you can just graph that into your sheet. So that's done for part A. And then for part B is to plot the derivative using the same screen. So what you want to do is you want to go back to your calculation page and you want to do the derivative function of fx. So you go to calculus and derivative. So I press on that. And then, so once you do that, then you can do your d over dx and then put fx in there. So f of x, like so. And then press enter and you get the derivative function here. And you want to highlight that, copy that, and paste that as a second function to be graphed. So copy that one and then plot that in. So put that as function 2 and then just go enter. And that's your graph there. So so you can plot that in to your sheet. And then, so for part C is to find the value of function when x equals to 10. So that's pretty easy. All you got to do is you just go f of 10. So you put f of 10 in there, like so, and then just press enter. So, and that's your answer for part C. So just -960. And the last one is for what values of x is the value of the function 500. So in that case, we're just using the solve function. So, so for the solve function, you go to algebra solve, and then just go f of x equals to 500, and then put comma x. So, so just do this one here. So f of x equals 500 and solve for x, and then just press enter. And there you have it. So those are your x values there. Okay. So let's quickly put that into our answers here. So, so the rule here for part A is, in this case, f of x is equals to negative x to the power 4 plus 8x cubed plus 10x squared plus 4x, and e was 0. And then you just copy the graph from the calculator. So that's pretty straightforward there. Sorry, let me share my screen there. Yep. So that's the part A, including the let's see. Oh, okay, yeah. So and then you just need to copy the graph from the calculator to finish off part A. And then part B was to copy the derivative function onto the graph as well from the calculator. And then let's quickly move on to part C. So part C, as we got from the calculator, was -960. And the last one is values of x is the function equals to 500. So x equals to 4.32. And the other one was x equals to 8.40. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today. If you got any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next session. Okay, see you later.